Hello, how to add fastest share button to WordPress website without plugin. This is share button that appears on right bottom corner and it stays there in fixed position. When you scroll, when you visit to other web page, it's still there. When you click on it, share pop-up will open and it will show share locations like Facebook, Twitter, mail, LinkedIn, etc. And this is native share feature of the browser and the Windows operating system. So on mobile it will have different appearance but will have similar features, and on other browser it may look slightly different, but it will still allow you to share content on your website. So every user that visits your website can share your content and it will not slow down your website. And there are many other benefits as well. So you don't need to use any plugin for this share button. It can be added as a widget to every page and to the footer. Also, this share button is not blocked by ad blockers. So if your visitor has ad blocker, they can still see this button and they can use it without any limitations. Also, this share button has adds UTM source and medium parameters. So when shared content clicked, you will see that visitor traffic from in your Google Analytics reports. So you can measure which content is shared, which content has lots of traffic because it was shared on the internet. Now let's see how to add this share button. Navigate to webpa.com/share page on your browser and you will get to this page. From here it shows with images how to add it. Scroll down and click share button code. Copy this code. Right click and say copy. Then open your website. For example, let's see this website. And if you can see, I have already added it, and you can add it by this website uses full site editing theme, so you can edit site and add the share button to the bottom of this site. So I want to add it to the footer, and here is the footer. So in footer it's added as a HTML custom HTML widget. So this you can add other Google Analytics as well here, or other JavaScript that should be appeared on all websites. Also you can add native share button here as well. So this is the full code and you paste it here and then click save button to save changes. And once it's saved, you can navigate to website and you can see it here. It's same share button, so it works on all websites, on all WordPress themes. Also, I can show you how to this website uses classic theme, so it's also added to this website. And to add it, you can add it to the footer with classic widgets as well. So if you are using classic theme, it's also possible to add it. Navigate to widgets page in WordPress and then go to footer and add a custom HTML widget. You can see here it's native share button code that I copied from website and paste it here. You don't need to have any title because it's floating widget, so you don't need to have title there. And custom HTML widget is available on for all classic themes. When you paste it, save it, and it will appear on all pages on your website. So whichever page they visit, they can click share button and share page. When page shared, it will use featured image. In my case, I use a SEO plugin that defines featured image as a social image. So when it's shared on social media, that featured image will be shown on that social media website. So again, to get the code, visit webpack.com/share-button page and copy code from there. And also you can find detailed instructions there. And also this code can be used on other websites. So for example, I can show you how I use it on Classifieds website. Same button, same features. And it's not WordPress, but it still can be used. Also, I use it on e-commerce website, which is OpenCart, but it still has slightly different styling, but it's still same features, same button, same code, but a little bit different styling. I changed it to match the website design. So it appears on all pages and can be used on any CMS that supports JavaScript, inserting custom JavaScript code. So it's fast, it's not depending on any external additional files, no external images, no external JavaScript files, and it does not collect any information, no cookies, so it's GDPR safe if you are your target audience in Europe. So it uses native features of each browser. So some browsers may not support it, but in most browsers, like 90% support it, and it's you can find like supported browsers. You can view supported browsers on website Can I Use? It's a web share feature, so you can find that it's supported on all modern browsers. And this is how share button looks on mobile device. For example, if I click it, it will pop up with available applications that I can share this page. So it's WhatsApp, Twitter, email applications, etc. You can also open it in another browser, copy to the Note program, etc. So it looks different for each application. For example, this is how it looks on Samsung browser, and this one how it looks in Google Chrome. So it has a little bit different controls here, but still similar. And when you click more, you will see lots of applications there that you can share this page with. So most recent and most used applications will be listed on first page, so users will be more familiar with it and they can share your website content easily. And it's very fast, very helpful share plugin, share widget without plugin on WordPress website. So you don't have a headache updating your plugins or worrying about ad blockers, worrying about your website speed. This is the fastest solution, and you will get fast website while still having ability to show sharing button and give that possibility to share your content, to save it for later use, etc. Using Google Analytics data, you can see how many times share button content shared using share button was clicked. For example, here it was clicked 245 times in 1 month, and average session duration for users that came clicking on that button. And you can further drill down and see which content was clicked most. Thank you for watching, sharing and subscribing to my channel. See you in next videos.